What is tougher, the role of an actor or the role of a politician that you played in life? What has been more challenging for you?
Well, since we are on the We the Women platform, just to be a woman is tough enough.
Well,
I had said this on one platform that when you're a woman, you're expected to look like a girl, work like a horse, and if you do kick around a bit, then you're supposedly very difficult no matter what your age.
yeah.
So I think it doesn't matter whether you're an actor or a politician, period. If you're a woman, it is not essential that life becomes easy when you succeed. In fact, when you succeed, it gets a bit more difficult because then the backlash comes very finely dressed.
And so when you speak of backlash,
The tongue lashing is very perfumed.
yes. When you speak of backlash, and of course being, as you said, being a woman has been challenging, whether you're an actor or a politician.
It's challenging for others, not for me.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure with your personality, I'm
Yes.
sure you have taken those challenges head on. But do you feel sometimes you've been at the receiving end of mansplaining, of like people kind of excessively trying to explain a circumstance or situation to you?
No, I think that it becomes difficult when you tell people and people presume that you will conform a lot.
Yeah.
That presumption comes when you succeed and you want to maintain success, and conformity becomes very essential because nobody wants you to rock the boat. And when you say that actually I was not born to conform, I was born to lead,
Yeah.
that becomes very stark for people to accept. So I've never been a conformist. And when I'm very, very effusive about how I know exactly what I'm doing, that tends to trample a few egos.